There comes a point in everyone's life where you feel stuck, like you're not living up to your full potential. You look around and realize the same people, the same situations, and the same habits are holding you back. This is when you know it's time to disappear, not physically, but mentally, emotionally, and even socially for a while, so you can transform into the person you're meant to be. If you're ready to unlock your full power and become truly successful. So I like to invite my friend Nishalia Schwartz to join me for this special session of the week.
Oh, thanks, mate. I'm very glad to. Here today I tell all of you how to disappear and transform yourself and become powerful, successful, and unbeatable person of the world. So this is how you do it. Number 1. Step into silence. Disconnect to reconnect with yourself. In a world full of noise, the first thing you need to do is embrace silence. You can't transform if you're constantly distracted by everyone else's opinions, their expectations, and their lives. Sometimes the best way to grow is to disconnect from the outside world for a while. Stop giving people access to you. Stop sharing your every thought, every move, and every plan. This doesn't mean cutting people off entirely, but it does mean stepping away from constant interaction. Turn off the distractions, limit social media, cut down on unnecessary conversations, and give yourself time and space to think. In silence, you'll find clarity. You'll reconnect with who you truly are, what you really want, and where you're meant to go. This space will allow you to identify the habits, people, and environments that no longer serve your growth. It's in this period of solitude that you begin to plant the seeds of transformation. Number 2. Refocus your energy on self-mastery. Disappearing isn't about running away, it's about retreating to come back stronger. Use this time to master yourself. Self-mastery is about controlling your thoughts, emotions, and actions in a way that aligns with your vision for the future. To do this, you need to develop a routine that sharpens both your mind and body. Start with your physical health. Begin a fitness regime that challenges you, strengthens you, and pushes you beyond your limits. A powerful body fuels a powerful mind. Along with that, feed your mind daily. Read books that challenge your thinking, develop new skills, and dive into topics that grow your knowledge and perspective. Self-mastery is about creating the discipline to stay focused on your growth. Every day should be a step toward becoming the person you envision. Number 3. Redefine circle. Surround yourself with growth-oriented people. The people around you play a huge role in either holding you back or pushing you forward. When you disappear for a while, you'll start to realize who in your circle is adding value and who is just draining your energy. To transform and become powerful, you need to surround yourself with people who are on the same path as you, or even ahead of you. Seek out mentors, friends, and peers who challenge you to grow. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your circle is filled with negativity, complacency, or people who don't push themselves, it's time to elevate your circle. Find people who share your hunger for success, who hold you accountable, and who motivate you to keep pushing forward. Transformation is often lonely at first, but when you realign with the right people, the path becomes clearer and faster. Number 4. Build unshakable discipline and consistency. Disappearing isn't enough, you need to use that time to cultivate discipline. Success isn't about talent or luck, it's about consistent effort over time. The most successful people in the world aren't the ones who have the most talent, they're the ones who wake up every day and do the work, even when they don't feel like it. That's the secret. Consistency. If you want to transform yourself, you need to build daily habits that move you toward your goals. Whether it's working out, learning new skills, or grinding at your craft, whatever it is, make sure you're doing it every single day. It's the small daily actions that lead to massive results. When you disappear, focus on building this consistency. No one will see your work at first, but that's the point. You're planting seeds that will bloom in time. Number 5. Master the art of reinvention. Once you've spent time in silence, mastered your discipline, and refined your circle, it's time to reinvent yourself. The beauty of disappearing is that when you return, you can come back as a completely different person, a better, stronger, more powerful version of yourself. Reinvention is about shedding the old version of you, the one who played small, doubted themselves, or got caught up in distractions, and embracing the new powerful version of you. To reinvent yourself, you need to change how you see yourself. Start embodying the person you want to become, not just in action, but in thought. Visualize yourself as the successful person you're becoming. Speak and act as if you're already there. Reinvention isn't just physical, it's mental. The way you think about yourself will shape how others see you. Number 6. Return stronger and more focused than ever. When you come back, don't make an announcement. Let your transformation speak for itself. People will notice the difference. Your confidence, your energy, your focus. You'll carry yourself differently because you've done the work. You've become powerful not because you've told the world, but because you've proven it to yourself first. Success is a result of the foundation you've built in silence. And now that you've transformed, you're ready to take on challenges that once seemed impossible. You'll have clarity, direction, and an unstoppable mindset. The doubts that once held you back will be replaced by a deep sense of purpose and power. Number 7. Maintain your momentum and keep growing. Disappearing and transforming yourself isn't a one-time thing. It's a continual process. Even after you've achieved a certain level of success, you need to keep pushing, keep evolving. The moment you become comfortable is the moment you stop growing. Power and success come to those who are always looking to improve, always setting new goals, and always hungry for more. Use the same principles that got you here to keep going. Regularly retreat into moments of silence, refocus your energy, and reevaluate your circle. Success is a journey, not a destination. Stay humble, stay disciplined, and never stop working on yourself. That's how you remain powerful. In the end, disappearing isn't about running away from the world. It's about retreating into yourself to come back stronger. It's about transformation, about growth, about becoming the person you've always known you could be. So if you're feeling stuck, lost, or held back, disappear. Focus on yourself. Build in silence. And when you return, you'll come back more powerful, more focused, and more successful than ever.